Good Monday morning. Taking a live view from our Biscayne Bay camera right now. Still dark and early, waiting for that sunrise. A mix of sun and clouds as we peek from our Key West camera. And we are mainly dry this morning in Broward and Dade. A few showers near the lower Keys. The winds are calm or light. And as we head into the afternoon, we'll see more of that sea breeze developing, leading to some storms. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Peter, which is 245 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands, moving west-northwest at 14 miles an hour, max sustained winds of 50 miles an hour, and forecast to stay to the north of the Caribbean islands and then eventually move to the northwest. The north become a depression later this week and then turn to the northeast in the general direction of Bermuda. So this will certainly be something that Bermuda will keep a close eye on. In the meantime, Tropical Storm Rose out in the eastern Atlantic is about 555 miles west of the southernmost Cabo Verde Islands, moving northwest at 14 miles an hour, and forecast to continue moving in that general direction and stay out in the open waters of the Atlantic. A fish storm, a depression, by later this week as we head into Thursday and Friday. So today our highs climb to 90 degrees and we'll see the potential for passing showers, and then later this afternoon storms will be pushing inland. Future radar showing, keep the umbrella handy, because later this morning this model is forecasting some rain in spots across parts of Broward and Miami-Dade around Fort Lauderdale, Miami International Airport. As we get into around noontime, there could be a few downpours, and then notice how the bulk of the action will be steered inland with that breeze, mainly off the ocean and as well over on the west coast of the peninsula. And then some of the storms could backtrack across our area as we get into the evening hours, as you'll notice, going into around 8 p.m. So boaters, winds east 5 to 10 knots east to a light chop on the bays. And tonight some evening storms will be possible. And don't forget about our harvest full moon taking place. So it does take place tonight. It peaks at 7:54 p.m. It occurs near the timing of the autumnal equinox, which, by the way, is on Wednesday. The moon rises near sunset and appears full for 3 days. So you have some time to check it out. In addition to that, because of the full moon, that's going to actually enhance the king tides, those higher than normal tides that are due to astronomical alignment of the sun, the moon, and the earth. The combination of the sun and moon's gravity pulling the tides higher, creating that ocean bulge, if you will. So the higher than normal tides could take place around 8:34 a.m. in Miami Beach, 9:16 a.m. in Fort Lauderdale. That saltwater flooding we tend to see around coastal areas and the low-lying areas. And then the king tides could take place again around the 1st and 3rd weeks of October and the 1st week of November. Hey, a cold front is on the way to our state, but it's not going to get here. It's going to stall to our north, so our friends across the panhandle may get a little taste of fall, as well as across much of the rest of the nation. But here in South Florida, we are going to be stuck in this summery pattern with the heat, the humidity, and a mix of sun and storms, even though fall begins on Wednesday.